Hello everyone, welcome to Expo Moorland. I hope you all are taking very good care of yourself. So today's video is based on the tenses, as I have already posted all kinds of tenses and I have taught them very well with a lot of examples. I hope you have seen those videos. If you have not seen them yet, then you can watch them after watching this video. You will get the links in the description box below. Alright, so today in this video you will see how do we change one sentence in all the 12 tenses. Okay, so in this way this will be a kind of revision for you, like how to change a sentence in one tense and then to another tense. Okay, so you will have one sentence in all kinds of tenses in this video. Okay, and side by side I'll tell you quick rules of all the tenses. Alright, so let's start this video without wasting our time. So just a small reminder, if you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed this channel yet, then just press the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notification for the new videos. Okay, and one more thing, that I keep on posting a lot of quizzes and tests in the post button, that is for community. So if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to check the post in the community tab. There you get a lot of quizzes along with answers. Okay, so in this way you can improve your English, and if you have any questions or query, you can ask me. If you want any particular topic to cover, then you can ask for that also. So now you see sentences in all the tenses. Here you see, first of all I have chosen present tense, that is simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future tense. And here I'll take one sentence in all these tenses. Okay, so first tense which I have chosen, that is present tense. Okay, so simple present tense, simple past tense and simple future. So this is simple tense in present, past and future. So the sentence will be, in simple present tense it will be I eat. And quick rule is that in simple present tense, along with the plural subjects or nouns, okay, and I is the option there. So I, we, you, they, we use verb as it is. So subject, then verb, okay, and s or es is there when, if the subject is singular. For example, if the subject is he, she or it, in that case we use s or es in the verb, otherwise we use verb as it is. Along with the plural subjects we use this structure, subject plus verb, and if object is there then object, like I eat an apple. So this is the structure. So what are the plural subjects? Here consider I, we, you and they. Okay, so I is the option which is considered as plural, and here along with the I or plural subjects we don't use s or es in the verb, we use the base form of the verb. So I eat. Suppose I say he, so you will say he eats. Okay, if I say you, you will say you eat, in this way. Got it? Now change the same sentence into simple past tense. How will you change? It will be I ate. Okay, suppose I say I eat an apple, you will say in simple past I ate an apple. What is the rule of simple past? Quick rule I'll tell. Subject, then verb 2, that is the second form of the verb, then if object is there you will use object. For your quick understanding, I am not using any object here, but it's quite obvious. If you want, you can add, like I ate an apple, I eat an ice cream, like that. Okay, so here you will change the base form into the second form or past form of the verb, that is ate. So what is the past form of eat? Ate. So I eat, I ate. And how will you write the same sentence in simple future? I will eat. See, in old time, or you can say in modern English, we use will, whether it is I, we, he, she. Okay, whatever the pronoun is in modern English, we use will. So, okay, in earlier time we used to use shall along with I and we, but now you can use will. So, I will eat. Suppose an object is there, then you can write that. So, I will eat an apple. Got it? So, in simple present tense, I eat, because it is I. So, it is I eat. If it is he, then you will say he eats. Okay, if it is she, then you will say she eats. Simple. So with he, she, you will add s here. Otherwise with I, we, you, they, you will say I, we, I eat, he eat, you eat, we eat. Okay, and simple past, the same thing. There is no issue. You will say I ate, he ate, we ate, you ate, like that, because we use second form of the verb, past form of the verb with all the pronouns. Then simple future, I will eat, he will eat, she will eat. Whatever the pronoun is, just we will follow the same structure, will and base form of the verb. Okay, so this is a structure. Now, next kind of tense, that will be continuous tense. So here again I will take all three kinds of tenses: present continuous, past continuous, and future continuous tense. The same sentence we are going to change in present continuous tense. So that will be I am eating. Okay, that means the action is still continuing, action is still going on. So you will say I am eating. I eat in simple present, I am eating in present continuous. So quick revision of the rule is subject plus helping verb, then you will use the main verb. Okay, I am writing verb, then you will add ing here. Okay, so continuous means that you will add ing in the main verb along with the helping verb, and if it is present tense, then obviously helping verb will be either is or am or are. So is, am, are plus verb in ing form. This is continuous tense, present continuous tense. If it is past, then you will use the helping verb in the past form, that is was or were. Then you will add ing in the main verb. Okay, so I eat, but in present continuous I am eating. And the same sentence, if you change into past continuous, then it will be I was eating. Okay, and you have to learn it that with I and with he, she, we use was, but with we, you, they, we use were. Okay, suppose I say you, and you have to write this sentence in past continuous tense. Then you will say you were eating. Okay, why? Because we use were with you, we use were with they. So they were eating, you were eating, we were eating, but I was eating, he was eating, she was eating. Now in future continuous, I will be eating. So here remember that after the subject, will be there because it is future, but it is continuous. So you will take main verb in ing form, and what is the extra thing you are adding? That is be. Remember this. So I will be eating. Okay, he will be eating, she will be eating, they will be eating. Here there is no confusion because we use will be eating in future continuous tense. I am eating, I was eating, I will be eating. That's it. Now next kind of sentence tense we are taking, that is perfect tense. So all three kinds of perfect tense: present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. The same sentence, I eat, if you change into present perfect, that will be I have eaten. Quick, quick revision, that is subject, then you use has or have. Okay, then you use third form of the verb. Okay, past participle. So here you will use either has or have because it is present perfect. Perfect means third form, and present, so has or have. That's it. So I have eaten. Suppose it is he, then you will say he has eaten. She has eaten. we have eaten, you have eaten. So just remember the plural pronouns. Most of the times they are I, we, you, and they. So whatever the rule we follow for we follow for you and they as well. Okay, most of the times. Now, if you change the same sentence into past perfect, this will be I had eaten. Again, here there is no confusion because the same structure we follow, like subject, whether it is singular or plural, like he, she, it, or I, we, you, they, we follow the same structure, that is had plus third form of the verb. Okay, so it doesn't matter, he had eaten, I had eaten, she had eaten, they had eaten, like that. Okay, now we will change the same sentence into future perfect. This will be I will have eaten. Okay, so here you will take will because of future, but for perfect you will take have and third form of the verb. Okay, so the same structure will have plus third form of the verb will be followed for all kinds of subjects, whether they are plural or singular. Okay, he will have eaten, she will have eaten, I will have eaten, like that. Now let's take the fourth kind of tense, that is perfect continuous tense in all three types, that is present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. I have written here in short. Okay, now let's take the same sentence and we'll change that into present perfect continuous. It will be I have been eating. And here you see half of the part will take from present perfect, that is have, and half of the part we will take for continuous, that is ing form of the verb, and we will join them together. That will be perfect continuous, and because it is present, so we will use has or have. So I have been eating. Here, we take two times together, but I am taking the basic structure just to explain it to you. So I have been eating before you came, like that. Okay, or I have been eating when you came, like that. You will add here. So here, this is the basic structure: has or have plus been, then verb in ing form. You got it? That half of the part of present perfect and half of the part of continuous. Okay, then the same sentence into past perfect continuous will be I had been eating. The same thing, half of the part that you will take of past perfect, that is subject plus had been, and half of the part you will take of continuous, that is verb plus ing. So I had been eating. The same sentence you will change into future perfect continuous, that will be I will have been eating. Got it? So what is the basic structure? This is subject plus will have been. Okay, so this is the part of future perfect, and continuous part is verb plus ing. Okay, so these are the basic structures of all the tenses, and we have taken one sentence in all the tenses. So I hope you have understood well one sentence in all kind of tenses. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment box below. Very soon I'll upload another video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you have not subscribed it yet. Thank you for watching. Take care, bye bye.